Hello YouTubers. In an attempt to make a little bit better welding videos, I've made this little contraption. What it is, this is the mount the camera screws onto, and then it goes into my tripod. I drilled a couple holes in that so that this will go there, and it will put this filtered lens right against the front of the camera. I don't think you want light in between, or a lot of light getting in between the filter and your camera lens. It just has little brackets that bend around the sides here. There's a little piece of round stock welded in here to keep the bottom captured, and then I put a piece across here so that I could attach rubber bands to hold it down on there. Now I wrote in the corner, this is a number 9, and right over here I have a 10 and 11. They make them darker and they make them lighter, but I just figured I'd try these three and see what it came up with, and if I need to go lighter or darker I can. Let's put this on the tripod and do some welding and see which one of these does the best. Okay, right now I've got a couple pieces of scrap metal sitting here, and I'm going to try the number 9 lens. Hope I got it where I need it. Okay, that was number 9. Let's go change the lens out and try number 10. Okay, here we go with number 11. Okay, I zoomed it in. I still had number 11 in. I'll do a little weld with this, see how that looks. Okay, we're back to number 10. And right here's number 9. Now this is just a test with the different shades. That is a real heavy hot roll steel there, 3/8 hot roll. It's got a heavy mill scale on it, so that center weld looks like crap. I think it's due to the mill scale, and it was going down the middle there. It's just, I understand it's crap, but we're looking at the lenses.